Welcome the 1995 Dodge Charger Daytona, a forgotten legend. Opening scene, a dusty garage. Sunlight shines through old windows. A tarp is pulled off a sleek, aggressive car. Narrator, voiceover. In the world of American muscle, legends are born on the streets and crowned on the track. Some names echo through time: May Challenger, Camaro, Mustang, a broken bar, and of course, the Dodge Charger Daytona. But what if we told you there was a Daytona that most people have never seen a broken bar or even heard of? Cut to a wide shot of the car, bold lines, retro design with a modern 90s twist. Narrator: this is the 1995 Dodge Charger Daytona, a model that never officially made it to production, but lives on in concept, custom builds, and the imagination of muscle car fans everywhere. Cut to historical footage of the 1969 Charger Daytona. Narrator: back in 1969, Dodge created the Charger Daytona to dominate NASCAR. With its massive rear wing and aerodynamic nose cone, it wasn't just bold, it was a track weapon. It became the first car in NASCAR history to break the 200 miles per hour barrier. Back to the 95 version. Narrator: fast forward to the mid-90s. Dodge was in the midst of a brand revival. The Viper was turning heads, and concept cars were wild and futuristic. Somewhere in the design studios, talk of reviving the Charger Daytona sparked interest. The idea? A rear-wheel drive muscle sedan, a sleek, powerful, and true to its roots. Camera pans along the body of the fictional 95 Daytona, a modernized version of the original, but with a 90s styling: a pop-up headlights, deep scoops, aggressive stance. Narrator: under the hood, a 5.9-liter Magnum V8, pushing out around 245 horsepower. Not mind-blowing by today's standards, but in the 90s, it would have turned heads. Paired with a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic, the Daytona would have offered a thrilling ride for its time. Interior shots, leather seats, analog gauges, old-school charm. Narrator: inside, the cabin would blend muscle heritage with 90s flair. Bucket seats, a simple dash layout, and that unmistakable growl every time you hit the ignition. Close-up of the Daytona badge. Narrator: though it never officially rolled off production lines, a few custom shops and enthusiasts have built their own vision of what the 1995 Dodge Charger Daytona could have been, some using modified Dodge Intrepids or Magnums as a base. These one-of-a-kind builds keep the legend alive. Final shot, the 95 Daytona concept roaring down an empty road at sunset. Narrator: the 1995 Dodge Charger Daytona may be a ghost from an alternate timeline, but in the world of muscle cars, even ghosts leave tire marks. Text on screen: the 1995 Dodge Charger Daytona, the muscle that might have been.